How to build the fishing game.
Build the pool. Form X sheet. Add the fish. Magnetic pellet. Connect to the battery boxes.
With these 4 ponds at different speed levels, who will be the winner? The game begins. This is the slowest spinning fish pond. Anna has caught the first fish.
Oh!
Yahoo! Now, both are continuously catching fish.
Ooh!
This level, Anna and David each caught for fish.
Want to try a harder level?
Sure, this time you're lucky.
Wow! Then let's go to level 2.
Whoa!
This fishing pond spins faster than the first one. Let's see who will win this round.
Ah! Oh!
Anna won this round.
How can I lose to her?
Pay up, and you'll get another chance. This level 3 will be even faster.
This is way too fast.
Are you scared?
The fish keeps slipping.
You both caught for more fish.
I must beat her this last time.
Level 4 is the hardest level.
How can I catch fish at this speed? It's hard.
Get out.
What?
The contestants are fighting.
That's my fish.
After 4 rounds, you two are tied.
What? I must be the winner.
You're a loser.
Do you want to play again?
But I'm out of money.
Me too.
So get out of here.
Build the automatic fishing rod. Step 1. Build a reel seat. Step 2. Connect fly line to blank. Step 3. Build an engine. How does it work?
I challenge you to catch fish.
Let's see. Let's go.
Take the bait.
Congratulations.
Let's see what we do next. Look what I've got for you.
Are you kidding me?
How could you?
Take this!
Look what we've done to the lake.
I got an idea.
So dirty.
1 to 3. Let's go.
The lake is so clean.
Fishing port.
It's time for fishing, bro.
Yes, sir.
Our boat is full of fish. We need to go to the fish drop-off, Dockmaster. Please wait, the bridge will open right now.
How to build fishing ship.
I brought the parts to assemble the ship.
Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Build the loading conveyor belt. This loading conveyor is used to pull fish up from the sea. The support frame. Lego tread links. The gearbox. The motor. Connect to the battery box. I'll build another one to bring the fish into the ship. Step 2. Build the unloading conveyor belt. Lego tread links. Add the motor. Now, let's connect the two conveyors together.
I want to test if this conveyor can transport fish up.
Lego fish and crab. Now, let's attach the conveyors to the ship and add the wheelhouse.
Let's move this fish to the gathering place, everybody. We're done. Let's go home. Oh no, what happened? This boat is too big. Oh no, the boat is about to sink. Someone help us. You will need a better fishing boat.
I'll reuse this collecting boat from my previous episode to fish.
This boat might boost our productivity 10 times. It worked so well. We caught more fish than the old boat. All the fish have been unloaded onshore. Let's move, everyone. We'll go to the next fishing port. Awesome. The boat has successfully turned around.
Welcome to the fishing competition, where fishing enthusiasts will test their skills. Who will emerge victorious today?
Victory is mine.
No one can beat me.
Good luck to all the contestants.
Level 1. Sport fishing.
Nothing can stop me.
Oh yeah!
That's great.
It's impossible.
How to build the fishing machine. Step 1. Build the spinning board. Step 2. Build the motor housing. Install the gear. Step 3. Install the fish pieces. Each fish pieces has a magnetic pellet in its mouth. Let's attach the fish to the hole that has been prepared. Connect to the battery box. Testing the spinning board. Great, it works really smoothly. I have created 2 more spinning boards. Step 4. Set up the fishing machine. I will use a fishing rod to catch these fish.
I give up.
Time's up. I'll check the results right now. Wow, that's really surprising. Congratulations to Alex for catching 7 fish. Oh, yeah! And Tony, who has caught all the fish. It's a shame. Lisa hasn't caught any fish yet. Now, let's move on to the next round.
Level 2. Professional fishing.
Let's see who is a good fisherman.
I will definitely be the winner. Come on, come on. Great, the fish has taken the bait. Oh no, nothing but seaweed.
Your fishing rod is too small to catch the fish. Watch my performance. Great. You lost.
No way. Modern fishing rod. Fish cannot escape.
Oh, yeah!
Now, the real battle begins.
Oh, yeah!
Wonderful.
Have all the fish escaped?
Look what I've got, Puryu.
Are you kidding me?
You are really mean.
Oh my God, they have violated the rules. Today, we don't have the winner.